don't you think?
What? How's that? I fell asleep, Neşe. Ah! I can't believe this. It snowed everywhere. It's all white. But I can't even see anything. Hey, Neşe, is there fog in here as well? I feel a little lost, sis.
There's steam on your glasses, that's all.
Oh! Check it out. There's snow everywhere, sis. It's so pretty, right?
That's what I'm talking about. It's a winter wonderland.
It's so cool. Come on, let's go to the garden right away.
Be careful, kids.
Okay, we get your snow excited. But slow down. You don't want to break a leg, children.
But, Father, we can't miss even a single moment of playing in the snow.
He's right. Mutlu said it. And you shouldn't miss it as well.
Yahoo!
Minnie, Manny, wake up. Come outside and play with us. What happened out here?
Who painted everywhere bright white? I can't believe this.
It began snowing last night. That's why everywhere is all white now.
You know what rain is, right? Think of it like that. How it works is the water drops in the upper clouds turn into ice when it gets too cold. Then they become snow and then sprinkle down on us.
I think you should definitely take a look at all the snowflakes because they have great shapes. Also, every snowflake has a different shape.
That's right, just like human beings. Every snowflake is unique.
Yes, they are totally right. But the most important thing about snow is fun. And in so many incredible ways.
I think I understand, but where's the fun in that?
This is the way to more fun.
Let's have a snowflake war!
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie,